turn right here as soon as you get the second gear.
I'm recording right now.
Well, we're gonna go around the water, or we'll just get our little burnout going in that. We'll get our tire seated there.
Fantastic.
Idle into a stop sign.
That was awesome, man. That was cool.
Goddamn, we just left John to.
My goodness, that's a lot of.
Oh, we scraped. Oh.
A little bit.
Well, we're not gonna make the turn.
A little scrape. There's a little scrape. Okay, I'm recording.
Well. This guy might be taking a shower in the back of his truck. We'll see if he wanted to. If Autometer would kindly gaze over here behind my steering wheel, I've got 614 miles on my car and I've already got a light burnout on my battery gauge here. Unacceptable. It's almost like